Today we are launching interview practice platform on namastedev.com, my dear friends. And I'm super excited to share this announcement with you all. This platform is 100% absolutely free for everyone and anybody can go and use it. It has been so many months since we were building this along with my team, and now the time has come that we can launch this platform. To go to the platform, interview practice platform, you have to go to namastedev.com and click on the interview practice on the top. And you will reach the interview practice platform. Or the URL is also very easy. You can just go to namastedev.com/practice and you will reach the easy to remember URL namastedev.com/practice and you will reach this practice platform. So now in this video, I will cover what is there in this platform, what we have built, how you can prepare for your interviews, what all features are there and what we are going to build in future. Everything I will share with you all. And it will be very amazing to give you a walkthrough of our platform. Now, over here, when you reach this platform, you'll see a small, cool snippet of code. It's not a working code. It's just some dummy pseudo code for some motivation. And then you can just click on practice now. You see a list of questions, my dear friends. So this is the list of questions that we have curated from the internet. These are the best and the most asked question in interviews. So we have curated all these questions carefully and put it up in this platform. Now, if you will carefully see, we have few filters and sorting and all these stuff over here on the top. If you click on languages, there are two things that you can select from right now: JavaScript and React. We will be adding more and more over here, but right now we have questions for JavaScript as well as UI questions for React, which you can practice on our platform. In future, we are going to add more over here. Now, if you talk about difficulties, there are three levels of difficulties: easy, medium, hard. We have categorized all the questions according to these three difficulties so that you can practice along with according to your level of questions that you want to solve. Now you can sort the questions accordingly so you can practice and you can just try out these filters. Suppose if you want to you want to search for a specific problem. Suppose if I want to search for a problem progress bar, you can just search for these problems over here using this search as well. Now, one cool thing that we have done in our platform is we wanted you to prepare for interviews. So we have tagged the question with the company name as well. Suppose if you are preparing for Microsoft interview, you can or you want to prepare for a specific company, you can click on Microsoft over here and this will filter out all the questions which have been asked previously in Microsoft. And let me also tell you, my dear friends, whenever you will see a question, if it is asked in Meta, then it will be asked in Microsoft, then it will be asked in Google. We have found a lot of questions that were very similar for a lot of companies. So I would highly urge you, before going to any interview, definitely practice these questions which have been asked in a lot of companies over here. We have added these companies so that you can prepare very well before your interview, and it will be very helpful for you all. And we have made this platform available for free to everyone. Are you excited about this platform or not? Please comment it down because I read each and every comment on my videos. I want you to like this video. Comment down below, how are you excited about this platform? How are you liking this platform? What else do you want from us in this platform? And it will be very helpful for us. Help us reach more and more people. According to the YouTube algorithms, if you like this video, it will reach more people. Please, 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 my dear friends, help us with that. Let's go to this chips input question. So if you go to this chips input question, here you see the problem statement on the left, and here is the practice platform or the playground for you all. Okay, so you can see here we have the problem statement. Here you can read what you need to actually solve. This is the problem statement which generally your interviewer will give it to you. You can read through this problem statement and it exactly lists down every feature that you need to build over here in this, in this question. Now, you can also see how many people have viewed this question, liked this question, submitted this question, and all of other stuff. And whenever there is a UI question, because this is a React UI question, you will also get a reference UI over here. So basically, you can see what exactly the interviewer is asking you to build. So you have to build this chips input where when you add a chip, So it adds a chip over here. It is kind of like a tag, right? It adds a tag over here, chips tag. Then if you write front end, and you can close these and you can delete these tags also, right? It is kind of like chips. Okay, so this is a question over here that you need to solve. Now this is the reference UI, and here is the boilerplate code. This is the basic boilerplate code that has been given to you, my dear friends. And here is the real live demo of this, real life executed, browser, where you can see your output. Suppose if you change anything over here we have chips input. Suppose if I write hello world over here, so you will see it happening real time on the browser on the right hand side, and you can build the same thing over here. Now let me tell you one amazing thing. Suppose if we have written hello world over here, so we have built small features for you all. Suppose if you are writing any code, over here, so this code will automatically be saved. Suppose if you refresh the page accidentally, suppose if you lost the connection, if you go away from the page, whenever you will come back, this code will be saved for you all. We have built like small features to improve the user experience. Okay, so don't worry that your code will never be lost. You can just, walk away from the platform, come back once again, and you can solve it later on, right? If you haven't solved it. Suppose if you have written something, you want to reset this boilerplate code, right? Suppose you want to reset to the original code. So you can just click on this button on the right bottom, reset question, and it will reset the code back to whatever it was, right? It was. Now, if you are from the React background, you would obviously know what is this app.js file, chips.input. You can just write code over here and make it work. Now, let me come on to the interesting part, my dear friends. Suppose if you did not understand what is being asked in the question to build, right? So you can also preview the final output. You can also preview what you need to build. So see, this is not a working prototype. If you hit enter, nothing happens. But this is a working prototype. This is the final result that you have to build. So this is the chips input. Suppose if I write front end over here, right? If I write front end over here and hit enter, this is the thing that you need to build. You can see the live execution of it happening, right? If I write Node.js, if I write backend over here, if I write React over here, it will keep adding these chips. And if I click on this cross button, it removes these chips as well, right? This is basically the final thing that you need to, your version should be exactly similar to the solution or the preview what you need to build. Okay, so basically you can close it up, and then basically here is your environment. You can just directly code and make it work over here. Now let me tell you, we have few more amazing features over here, like similar questions, right? So if you click on this similar question over here, right? If you click on this similar question over here, so you will see, suppose if you have solved this question and you want to solve more questions, so you can solve these similar questions over here, right? Now, if you want to practice in a timed environment, which I would highly recommend to you all. Suppose if you are preparing for interviews, when you give interviews, time is a very important thing. So if you want to practice in a timed environment, whenever you are starting to write code, always start this timer and track how much time you took to solve this problem. Okay, whenever you are starting the timer, this will keep a track of how much time you have taken to solve this problem. Okay, so it is very helpful for you all. Start the timer whenever you are starting solving the question and see how much time you have taken. Right now, here we also have one more thing. Here you can report a bug or a suggestion or a feedback to us, right? If you want to say something to us, here is the place you can give it. Suppose if you are on this problem and you want to, report a bug in this question. Suppose if you find any bug, though we will make sure that there are no bugs, but suppose if you find any bug, or suppose if you find any, issue with our question, you can share your feedback, share an improvement. Suppose if the problem statement is not understandable, you can share it and we will definitely help you, right? We will take actions accordingly. Now, this is what the platform is. We have built small cool features over here. You can, if you have read the problem statement and you want to focus upon code, you can just click on this small little button over here and it will give you your mental space. So you know what you have to build. Now you can just, focus upon solving it over here. You are given this code editor and the browser on the right hand side. You can properly code over here and, make it work, right? You can click it back and you can get the problem statement once again. Now let me tell you one more important feature, my dear friends, that we have built over here. Suppose if you are writing some code, there is, how would you test whether you have written correct code or not? How would you test it? So we have test cases on our platform also, my dear friends. So basically, suppose if you are writing the code, you want to check whether your solution is correct or not. Hit on run over here, and it actually runs you through proper test cases which will check whether your output is correct or not. Suppose if I had solved this whole problem, so all my test cases will pass. So these are the test cases that we have carefully written for each and every question, and this will help you track whether you are actually, see, in UI, suppose if you are building a UI question, suppose this is chips input. If you don't test your solution, then you don't know if there are bugs. So we have provided these test cases, and your code will run through these test cases, and only if your test cases pass, then you should feel that I have solved this problem. Okay, so once you have passed all the test cases, then your submit button will open up. Right, the submit button will be blocked for now. Then you can submit the problem, and then it will actually be submitted. Okay, so you can run these test cases, right? And here there will be attempts. So as many times you click on this run button, these attempts will be increased. Okay, so this is like, total number of attempts that you can track, right? This is of no particular use. We are not tracking anything of it. This is just for your purpose, just to count how many attempts did you take to solve this question, right? So this is just a track of it. Nothing relevant over here. But this is the platform. It took a lot of time, my dear friends, to build these questions. We have writing the test cases, building these reference UI, building this preview, what you need to build. Everything took a lot of time for us. If you are liking our platform, please comment it down. Please comment it down. Please share it. Share this video with your friends. Like this video at least. If you have not liked it, please hit that like button right now. Let me tell you more amazing features over here on this platform. We also have a solutions tab over here. With each question, you get to see the actual code solution. Suppose if you are solving a problem and you are not able to solve it, we can't leave you in the middle of nothing, right? So we want you to solve the problem and then see our solution also. So this is the solution. Suppose if you are not able to solve the problem, or even if you are able to solve the problem, we would definitely suggest you, this is the solution. You can go check out this solution, see what you wrote, see what we suggest you to write, and this is the solution that we have given, and also the explanation. We have also given you the explanation, like how do you manage state, how you will handle the events, how do you render components, and everything is there in this explanation. You can check out the solution. Let me tell you, my dear friends, going forward in future, this is in the future scope, we will also be adding hints over here. So that you can solve the question step by step. Suppose if you are not able to solve this question, you will come over here, you will see hint 1. You can see the hint, try to solve it. Suppose if you are not able to solve it yet, go see the hint 2. Then the hint 2 will unlock. Solve it if you can. If suppose you are not able to solve it even with hint 2, then you can go to hint 3, right? Something like that. We'll have a series of hints. Once you have exhausted all your hints, suppose if you are not able to solve it even after seeing all the hints, then you will actually see the solution that you can see, right? So basically we are trying hard to make this platform help the students as much as possible, right? We are trying to build small things that can help you become a better programmer. Okay, so this solution, and now let me also tell you, you will not be able to go to this solution section. You will not be able to run this code unless you are logged in. You need to be logged in. I am logged in right now. You need to be logged in. It's just a one-click Google login. You log in, and then you can run this solution. You can see the solution. You just need to be logged in. Now you can also see submissions over here. Suppose if you have submitted, suppose you have solved a problem, you have run, test cases pass. Suppose if you hit the run, test cases pass, then you click on submit. It will submit your problem and your submissions will come over here, right? All the past submissions, everything will be tracked over here in this tab. Now suppose we have one more feature, which is discuss. Suppose if you want You know, our platform is built to practice on your own. This is a self-learning platform, right? I'm not teaching you anything. This platform over here, you can come and you can solve the problems, see the problem statement, check out what you need to build. You can preview what you need to build and you can solve it yourself, test it yourself, submit it yourself. Everything is automated. But suppose even still you want help from community, you can go to the discuss section. You can join our developer community. Over here, suppose if you are stuck in a problem, you need help from a real human being, from your peers. You can go join this Discord community, right? Click over here, join this Discord community of Namaste Dev Practice. Already 44 members are over here, right? So join this community, right? Join this community and it will be very helpful for you all, right? This community, this Discord community, this Discord community is very, very, very amazing. Here you will find other peers who are also practicing, who are also preparing for interviews. You can connect with them, help them, you can ask for help. And we want to make this community very, very large for all the developers who are visiting our platform. Okay, you can discuss interview problems over there, and ask for help others, and this is basically kind of like a place where you can connect with other people also. Okay, so these all things we have built, my dear friends, and it is amazing. If you go to the interview practice over here, right, you also see, suppose if you want to bookmark some questions, we have built that feature also. Suppose if I click on this chips input, we want to bookmark these questions, so we can bookmark these questions. If I go to my bookmark section, you will see these questions in the bookmarks. Okay, so you can bookmark any question you want to solve it for later, or maybe suppose if you want to see your past submissions, you can see submissions. If you want to see the questions that you have liked, you can click on this button and you can see the liked questions. So everything is available on this platform. Going forward, we will be adding more and more amazing features onto this platform, my dear friends. We are also thinking about, getting some problem setters to build more amazing problems for all of you. Those are interesting problems, my dear friends. And those interesting problems will not only make you a great developer, it will make your learning fun, right? And we will, if you feel that you are confident to become a problem setter, then write us an email on support@namastedev.com. You feel that you want to contribute to our questions, please write an email to us and we will connect with you all and help us make more amazing questions. Let me show you one amazing question. This is guess the number. Okay, so this is a question that we have built. So over here, this is kind of like a small game. Let me just preview what you need to build, right? So basically, enter a number between 1 and 100. You have to guess a particular number. Suppose if I say I entered 50, right? Check the guess, right? It says too low. So basically we have to guess a number, right? And it will give me hints. Too low. Let's say, okay, it's too low. That means it's greater than 50. Let's say it's 70. Okay. If I click on guess the number, it still says too low. Okay. So now let's go to 90. It's too high. Okay. It might be in 80s, right? Let's say 80, right? Check the guess. Oh, see this. So I have guessed the number in 5 attempts. So this is a fun game kind of a thing, right? You can play it out. And when these questions, this is a real UI question that you need to build in React. Okay. So when these questions are fun, then the learning journey also becomes very amazing for us. Okay. Because when you will be building this kind of a game, it will be fun to solve this question, isn't it? So I would request you all, please go try out these questions and make the best use of this platform. Let me also tell you, my dear friends, I feel very emotional to share that it has been so many months since we were working day in and day out. We were working till late nights. We were working on weekends to make this platform live for you all. And it took a lot of hard work and efforts from our side. And I feel that in my team, I was the least, I have done the least contribution over here. And I would like to mention the name of our super cool team members without them, this platform would have not been possible. Let me name them: Himanshi, Jayant, Kunal, Aman, Princey. Thank you so much for all your help. because of you, this platform is possible. If you are not there, this platform would not have been possible. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And trust me, my dear friends who are watching this video, suppose if my teammates, you are watching this videos, a very, very thank you to you all. And I would request everybody, all the students who are watching these videos, please say a big thank you to my team members, right? All these team members, Himanshi, Jayant, Kunal, Aman, Princey, reach out to them on LinkedIn. Just say a personal thank you to you all, or maybe just write down the comments, because not just me, they also read the comments. So write a thank you to them, because this platform was not possible for without them, right? I feel I am the least, I have contributed the least over here. They are the ones who are working day and night, late nights, working on weekends to make this happen. It was a very big thing. It's a very big project that we were wanting to launch on our platform since a long time. We have a lot of more cool plans that we are doing and building in namastedev.com. You know, our mission of Namaste Dev is to, make you learn. We want to make Namaste Dev as a one-stop solution for all developers. Suppose you are a developer, one-stop solution. You can come onto our platform. You can learn from our courses, right? You can go to our courses. You can learn from here. If you don't want to pay us money, learn from our free courses, or learn from anywhere on the internet. We don't care, but we have a learning platform over here. And you can also practice whatever you have learned. You can apply that knowledge. You can apply that skills over here. And you can check those skills according, we have test cases where you can test your skills on the platform itself. And we are building more cool things on our platform that will help you even more. I can't announce that right now because we have not even started building it, right? But going future, in upcoming months, maybe 4 or 5 months from now, we will be launching one more major project onto namastedev.com that will be very helpful. It will be a big game changer for everybody in the dev community. We are working hard, my dear friends. I also want to tell you that we are on a mission to help all the developer community. And we want to build a super amazing developer tech platform for all the developers from India. We want to build it from India and to the world. This is our mission. I want to make this platform become a very big global brand in coming years, and we are 100% committed to building it. And this is our mission, to reach all the developers across the world and build this the best. We'll put in all the efforts which is required to make this platform the best. So what I need from you all, if you can help me a little, my dear friends, help us give a shout out on LinkedIn. Thank the team members who have put in their hard work and efforts to build all of it, right? Please, what you can do is, if you want to contribute, please share this video on social media. At least, first of all, like and comment on this video to help us reach more people on YouTube. YouTube algorithm will know, okay, this video has a lot of likes and comments. It will help us reach more people. Please do that. At least do that. And then if you want to contribute more, please share it on LinkedIn. Put it on, Instagram stories. Write it on Twitter or any social media platform that you that you are active on. Please share a word about this practice platform over there. It's completely free. We are not charging anything. It is all for helping the community. We have helped the community in the past by launching Namaste JavaScript. We have launched the interview preparation videos on my YouTube channel. We have done a lot of things for free already. We have paid courses also, because we also need money, right? But this platform is absolutely free. Once again, something very big that we have built. It takes a lot of hard work to build all this, my dear friends. Each question, each test case, each image, each practice solution, everything takes a lot of time to build. And we have been building it since a lot of months, and we will continue making this platform much, much, much better. Please help us reach more people. Share this platform with your network on social media and also off-site, right? Talk about this to your friend. Send the link of this platform to anyone, right? Whom you feel this platform will be relevant to. That will be a bigger contribution to all of us, right? To my team, to Namaste Dev. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Help me reach the mission, right? Help me achieve that mission that I have to make a great one-stop platform from India that we can take it to the world so that the whole world sees what we are building. That's what we need to build, and we are 100% committed to that. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. If you have liked it, if you have liked this video, please again, like and share this video, comment down below. It motivates us a lot. Me and my team, it motivates, it gives us a lot of motivation. Every like gives us a motivation, and I personally read all the comments on my YouTube videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye-bye, namaste, and Jai Hind.